It is that time of the week again, guys. Beater Box Fridays. I'm gonna try to be consistent for like once in this channel's like history, and I'm gonna be posting every single Friday for beater boxes. Be sure to nag me and stay on top of me for that because I want to make sure that I can keep up with that. Anyway. That's AM, that's not PM. I don't know why I made that like commitment saying that I'm gonna do beater boxes every single Friday, because this is hectic, man. I am literally filming this video Thursday morning before I go to work, 5:15 in the morning, and I woke up way earlier than that because I had to get dressed and get all ready and stuff. But it's insane because I made the commitment and I promised you guys that I would be bringing you guys mystery boxes every Friday. So here I am filming this video and I have to edit it all in one day. I have a huge cup of coffee over here. We got a huge beater box over here, $1,450, $1,450. So it's a big one. And on top of all of that, I have a huge giveaway announcement for you guys. So if you guys are interested in free shoes, beater boxes, and a tired, untied Hawaii with his cup of coffee, then stay tuned. All of that is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a beater box unboxing. It's coming in hot, guys. $1,450. This is the second week in a row that we're doing this. I told you guys, I promised that I would try to bring a mystery box every single Friday, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I really hope I can follow through with this. Anyway, $1,450, but I told you guys at the start of this video that I wanted to announce a giveaway before we do anything else. So this giveaway is gonna be a good one. It's actually like a really special giveaway for me because I get to work with one of my really close friends and fellow YouTuber on this, SB Mitch. If you guys haven't heard of SB Mitch before, he is like literally one of the closest friends I have on YouTube. Really good guy, really humble, and just a very funny dude, to be honest, man. Like, there's not too much guys that have like good comedic like value, I guess, in the sneaker YouTube realm. SB Mitch brings it, dude. Anyway, what we're doing is I partnered up with SB Mitch and we are giving you guys a free chance for a pair of Jordan 1 LA to Chicago's. This colorway over here, sometimes people refer to it as the Lakers because it looks like the Lakers, but when you guys rub off the paint and stuff, it does look like a Chicago kind of vibe. So that's what we're gonna be giving away to you guys. You guys can get that completely free, and all you guys have to do to enter is do easy steps of subscribing to Untied Hawaii, subscribing to SB Mitch, and then following us on Instagram. My Instagram is @UntiedHawaii. His is Ransom Note Sneakers. That's the name of his sneaker shop. And then after you finish those two steps, what you guys will do is go to the link over here, also linked in the description below. That's SB Mitch's video that he's posting actually at the same time today. And you guys are gonna go comment done, your shoe size, and where you are from on that video. What's gonna happen is we're gonna be picking a winner from the comments of that video. Do not comment in this video, please, because it will not be seen. You have to go to his video so we can keep everything like nice and organized on one video. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Make sure you guys follow all those steps, and also don't forget to get to that link to go to SB Mitch's video. I don't know how I can stress that enough. If you guys comment on this video, I'm gonna be very disappointed in you, so don't do that, man. Follow the directions, subscribe, follow on Instagram, super easy. Free chance for Jordan 1 SB's Lakers to Chicago. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing. This one is gonna be from Soul Supremacy. I'm looking around for my knife and I can't find it. Ugh, 5 AM, dude. I'm like barely processing anything here. We got it. Anyway, Soul Supremacy, like I said, shop out in California. You guys know and love them already. The most legit beater boxes on the market. This one is gonna be $1,450, so I consider that high tier. I am hopeful. I am definitely believing in Soul Supremacy. Let's check it out, guys. What do we got? Okay. We got some interesting stuff in here. This is a lid that's not even a shoebox. First things first, we have a pair of LeBrons over here, it looks like. This one is in the size 11. You guys can check it out over here though. I mean, it is a pretty standard shoe. You guys can see this one is used, but if you guys are into hooping, then I would definitely try to pick this one up. I'm sure it's not crazy hype, so it's not going to be going for a lot of money. So if you guys do want to pick this up, check out untiedhawaii.com. I put all of the shoes from the beater boxes on there, so you guys are able to cop these pairs. Okay, so the next one out is we have a pair of Jordans. I'm not sure what the colorway is for this one. I feel like it's like Olympic vibes though. I'm not too sure. I'm probably completely wrong on that. Anyway, this one is a size 10.5. This one is definitely used as well. Bottom's dirtied up, toe box creasing over here. some scuffs even. So this one's a little bit beat. I'm sure it's not going for a lot of money. Good little pickup if you guys need a pair of J's. Still not high tier heat, but I see something that is. For those of you that know your Jordans, is a pair of Jordan 4 lasers, and these are actually a pretty rare pair, so probably really good value here. This one is in a size 13, no box. Check it out under here. It's called the lasers because it has laser etching all over the shoe. Very, very cool design, to be honest. And it also has like that fire red kind of color blocking where you can see the blacks, the reds. This one came out in, I believe, a while back. What year is this? 2005, dude. So it's a 2005 shoe. It's very, very old. 14 years old by now. This one is a good one. I'm sure there's a good boost to the counter over here. It looks like we got a second pair of the shoe we saw earlier. Wait. What's going on here? I'm not sure what to make of this. I thought it was the exact same pair as this thing, which I still don't really know what the exact name of this is, but this pair actually has something on the back heel that looks different from the other pair. So I'll put it under the light over here. You guys can see it's the exact same model it looks like, but on the back there's like this little, like, I don't know what this is, some kind of embroidery. This one is in a size 13 though. I don't know what the difference is between this one and the other one other than that marking. So if you guys are J experts, let me know. Now for the ones with boxes, let's check out what we got here. Ooh, okay, a shoe I haven't seen before, and this one might be in dead stock condition. It is a pair of Jordan 1s, but this is like that like women's only sneaker, and it's in like that all patent look. So you guys see that like light blue and all of that black color blocking. So very cool shoe. I believe that this one is dead stock, so that's awesome. It is a size 7.5 too, but that's a 7.5 women's, not 7.5 men's. So I think in men's it comes out to like a size 6. So not a great size, but I mean, it's a dead stock sneaker, so that's pretty cool. So I'm a little bit awake now. That's a good one. Let's see what else we got. This one is a pair of, Element React 87s. This one is in a size 8.5. And we have a pair of, man, I gotta get my colorways down. I don't know what this one's called. This is like some kind of like earthy vibes, dude. And I think this one is dead stock, so that's good too. You guys can see that there's like no markings on the bottom. So that is great if we add another dead stock pair. 2 dead stock pairs is very, very good. Next up, we got an old Jordan box. This one is a size 8.5 and it is a Jordan 5, it says. This is a nice one, dude. We have a pair of the Jordan 5 Olives. This is a very old sneaker, but for the condition, this is super, super clean. I mean, you guys can tell there's some discoloration on the bottom, but there's no trouble with the nettings over here. Everything seems super intact, and I don't see any damage on the upper. So this is probably like the cleanest pair of Olives I've ever seen. So another good one, dude. I'm actually really liking this box so far. Good diversity and also some really great sneakers. And we still have 4 shoes left, so this is great. I see a lot of Yeezys in here. This one is a 350. And I know what this is now. It's a size 9. And we have a pair of Yeezy Clays, used too. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't know what the used resale value is for a pair of Clays, but the boost isn't super bad. It is a shoe that just came out like a month or 2 ago, so it can't be that horribly bad. And also size 9 is a pretty good size for a Yeezy. So if you guys are looking for like discount Yeezys and stuff, highly recommend you guys check this one out. I'm assuming that it's going for not that bad on the counter up here. Next up, I see a like super mini Yeezy box now. It's an whoa! This has the potential to be pretty good. It's an old Yeezy box, doesn't say the 350 on top. It's an infant 350 in a 9K. And I saw the color blocking, so this is super sick. Okay, it's definitely not dead stock, but this is pretty cool, man. Check it out under the light over here. We have a pair of infant turtle doves, so very, very cool. You guys can see that's a little bit used, but not horribly, horribly bad. Most times, like kids, they'll outgrow shoes really fast, so you can see why, like, it's not going to be heavily used, because I mean their like time, especially as they're kids, is very limited for how long they can use these things. But it's just kind of cute, I guess, to see an infant turtle dove. I've never seen a Yeezy like this small before, so I really like this. That one will probably be a good boost to counter over here. The V1 market kind of died a lot. I have no idea what the V1 market looks like for 9Ks, but I'm sure it's at least 100 something bucks, maybe more. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. 2 shoes left in here, guys. This one is a Yeezy 500 box in a size 9. Ooh, okay, good. And this is actually like my favorite colorway for this shoe too. Oh, but this one is used. Check this thing out. Yeezy 500 blush, but it's pretty heavily used because you guys can see there's like a lot of like discoloration here. Bottom's worn. And then upper is just kind of like dirty all around. But I can let you guys know that I wear this shoe like literally every single day for work, and it is a super comfortable shoe and very, very underrated. All right, one last shoe. You guys know I had to save this for the end. It is a pair of Jordan 1s, unfortunately in a size 11.5, so that kind of sucks. But what do we have here? I did not save a good shoe. This is a pair of Hyper Royals, and it's not even in dead stock condition, so you guys can check it out. Hyper Royals, this shoe is a huge bust for like resale purposes only. This is the kind of shoe that you would pick up at the outlet. It did not sell very well. However, if you guys do want a clean pair of Jordan 1s, or if you guys are like LA Dodgers fans, I'm a Dodger fan myself, so if you guys like that color blocking, then yeah, this is a great shoe for you. For everybody else, I don't know. Hype isn't really there, but it's still a Jordan 1, right? So that is it for this box, guys. Really good diversity in here. We got some super old school Jordans, good mix of Yeezys, got that infant turtle dove, which I have no idea what the value is of that. I think the box is pretty solid in value, but I don't know what the final evaluation is until after I calculate everything. So you guys can let me know in the comments what you guys think of the box. I did mention that we were going to open up a different box from a different shop. I was supposed to open that box today, but it didn't arrive on time. And like I said, I want to get these videos every single Friday, so you guys will see that video next Friday. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to enter the giveaway, guys. That will last about a week. Jordan 1 LA to Chicago for free. Literally takes maybe like 30 seconds of your time to do all of the entry stuff, so make sure you guys do that right now. And don't forget to go to SB Mitch's video, linked in the description below. All of that information is in there. I am tired, but I have to go to work now, so I'm gonna leave you guys here, but I will see you on the next video. Anyway, until then, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.